In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Cloudflare account ID. Whether you're setting up integrations, troubleshooting, or simply need your account ID for any number of reasons, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in a simple and straightforward way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find your account ID and how to copy it for your needs. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudflare account. To do this, head over to the Cloudflare homepage. If you're unfamiliar with the website, you can easily find it by searching for Cloudflare in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to access the login page. Now, at this point, you'll see several login options. If you prefer using your Google account for authentication, you can select the option labeled Continue with Google. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account associated with your Cloudflare account. Be sure to select the correct Google account so you can access the right Cloudflare dashboard. If you don't use Google to log in, simply enter your email and password as usual to proceed. Once you're logged into your Cloudflare account, take a look at the top navigation bar. You'll see multiple tabs here, but the one you want to click on is the Home tab. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can view all the domains associated with your account. The Home tab is essentially the starting point for managing your Cloudflare settings. On the Home dashboard, you'll see a list of all the domains connected to your account. These domains represent the websites you're managing through Cloudflare. From this list, find the domain that you want to work with today. Once you've located it, simply click on it to open the specific dashboard for that domain. Now that you're on the domain dashboard, look toward the right-hand side of the page. From here, scroll down just slightly. You're looking for a section that contains key information about your account. This section is often labeled with terms like Essential Account Information or something similar. It's designed to give you a quick overview of the critical details about your account. Within this section, you'll find your account ID. Cloudflare makes it easy to spot because it's clearly labeled as Account ID. This is the unique identifier for your account, and it's important for tasks like API integration or sharing account details. With authorized parties, be sure to take note of it. Once you've found your account ID, you'll also see a handy Click to Copy button right next to it. This feature allows you to quickly copy your account ID to your clipboard with a single click. Go ahead and click on that button. After that, you can paste the account ID wherever you need it, whether it's a configuration file or an email. And that's it. You've successfully located and copied your Cloudflare account ID. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to know exactly where to go and what to look for in your Cloudflare dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.